first full day here in Danang, and I am drinking some Vietnamese coffee. So today I'm going to be going to the city of Hoi An and look forward to exploring and seeing what's out there in Hoi An. Alright guys, so I just made it to Hoi An. It's about a 45-minute drive from Danang. So now I'm just walking around exploring, seeing what's over here. So I'm going to check out some temples and just check out the entire town itself. It's a UNESCO World Heritage site, so they've preserved a lot of the ancient cultural attractions and sites here in Hoi An. So we'll check it out. Maybe I'll ride a bike later to bike around the city. But you know what? It's time to eat. I haven't eaten all day yet. I think I'm gonna go check out another Bahn Mi spot here, another Bahn Mi restaurant, which apparently, I think according to Anthony Bourdain also, is one of the best, if not the best, Bahn Mi he's ever had in his life. So you know what? I think I might go check that out. Alright guys, so I also popped into the restaurant right next to Bahn Mi and I was gonna get some opla, which is basically just a fried egg dish with some French baguette on the side, because I'm really hungry. Alright guys, let's go take a bite of my Bahn Mi here from Bahn Mi. Wow, that's different. Again, different Bahn Mi, different place, different store, different taste. A little light on the pate, light on the cold cuts, more flavor around pork. But I'd say it's probably one of the top 2 Bahn Mis that I've tried here in Vietnam. I've tried around 5 different kinds, but they all taste very different. But you know good Bahn Mi when you have good bread. Wow. Alright guys, now also order the opla right here. So take a little piece of French bread, dip it in the eggs. Oh, look at that, look at that. There you go. Put a little bit of great, that is great breakfast food. Wow. Sample some of the pork they have here. Wow, that's very nice. So, I'm gonna eat all this. Get started with my Oh yeah, let me take a bite of that Bahn Mi once again. Hello, baby. Alright guys, so I got the Bahn Xeo Lon, which is the Vietnamese pancake. 3 of them for 30,000 dong. I just saw it freshly make these, so this is gonna be amazing. There you go. Pancake with bean sprouts inside. That's pretty tasty. Let's give it a go. Wow, that was really good. Very crispy on the outside. Not salty at all. Ooh, there's a shrimp. There's a prawn inside.
Thank you.
Huh? Oh. Oh, you put it in the rice paper?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Ah, okay. Oh, that's how you do it? Yeah, okay.
You met
Ah, okay, and then you dip in the sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. So she just showed me how to properly make it. This is how you do it. Alright. This is the proper way. You take the pancake, you put it in a rice paper, and you put the vegetables inside as well. And then you finally dip it in the sauce. Alright, now we can take a proper bite. Here we go guys, check it out. Now, that's how you properly eat it. That's so good. Oh, that's delicious. You saw it there, guys. That's how you actually eat the Bahn Xeo Lon. There's all kinds of flavors in your mouth. Sweet, savory, fresh, fried. And with a peanut sauce, man, that's a winner. If you ask me, a real winner. Okay guys, so if someone asks you to take a photo with them here, don't do it. They're really nice to you, they take a photo with you, and then they ask you to pay them. Pay her $1, but it's just kind of annoying because obviously they didn't tell you that they wanted money for it. Should have known better. Should have known better. That's okay. It's only $1 to me, but still, it's the principle. I hate it when people do that. You tell me up ahead, if you tell me beforehand, I'm cool with it. But if not, then it's alright. It is what it is. I like the fact that it's a UNESCO World Heritage site. So much like Georgetown out in Danang, they've really kept the exteriors of the buildings in their original state. See? Really neat. It kind of transforms you again back to an ancient, a previous world. Although I feel like it's been kind of mopped up a lot for tourists. You see just way too many stores, way too many tailor shops, way too many attractions for tourists, but it's still a neat thing to experience nonetheless. Check it out guys, I've been walking around here just checking out the temples, and I came across this really fancy temple with some really classic and ancient figures and statues. Check it out guys, check it out. You'll be surprised. Starting over here, look at this. Mickey Mouse, Pikachu, Chip or Dale, I'm not sure. Jiminy Cricket. Dwarf from Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. I don't remember which one. Smurf. Papa Smurf. Hello Kitty. Donald Duck. And Doraemon. Wow. Now these are some classic ancient figures at this magnificent temple here in Hoi An. Check it out when you get a chance. Alright guys, I gave in, rented a bike. Got the GoPro set up. 50,000 dong. Definitely not bad for the whole day. So I'm not gonna go around biking. I'm kind of tired of walking all around town. So we ready. Let's go. Yeah, I clearly cannot bike properly with one hand. So let's. Alright, that was a really bad attempt at trying to trying to vlog and bike at the same time. Clearly I'm not that good at biking with one hand. Don't vlog and bike. It's quite distracting. So put the camera away when you bike or get yourself a GoPro, but please don't do both. You just saw what happened. Hey guys, because I can't vlog and bike at the same time, I wanted to just quickly stop, check out some of these temples out here. This is a small island outside of the Hoi An city center. I think it's called Kamtan, but anyway, it definitely is more local, really away from the touristy side of the Hoi An city center. So definitely go rent a bike and just bike around here, see more how the locals live. It's quiet, there's not a lot of people. It's a very, very peaceful biking experience. Unless of course you try to vlog and bike at the same time. But other than that, awesome. So rent a bike, 50,000 dong, and just bike all over the place. It's pretty safe out here in Hoi An, so I'd highly recommend you go do that. Hey guys, say hi to my friends. There's Peter, there's Mary, there's Jackie, and there's Joaquin. Say hi. Yeah, they're kind of shy. Bye guys. See you later. Yeah, Joaquin, especially him, he's actually a chatty guy, but I don't know, he's a little camera shy at the moment. Alright, let's look around some more. A nice little history lesson on the Vietnamese culture out here in Hoi An. Alright, let's go find another museum to visit. Hey look, another museum. Okay guys, another museum. I don't know what it is about museums out here. No one wants to come see it anymore. Again, it's just me in this ginormous space. So once again, another private tour in another Vietnamese museum. Again, that was the Hoi An Museum. Check it out. Around 4:30, so I'm a little bit hungry after those museum excursions. And since I'm in Hoi An, I decided to go ahead and try their local dish called Cao Lau. Here we go. It is noodles with some pork, yellow noodles with pork. Looks like it's some kind of fried crackers and fried wonton maybe, and some salad. So this is very local to Hoi An, so I might as well just try it. And I found a spot called Cao Lau, which is apparently one of the more famous or the better Cao Lau stalls out here in Hoi An. I'm on the street, better than a restaurant, you know, more authentic, more local. Definitely sitting underneath makeshift rain cover, sitting on the sides on the street, in an alleyway. There you go guys, bon appetit. Nice. This tastes very Chinese in origin, very different from the Vietnamese flavors that I've been experiencing over the last couple of days. Delicious, fresh though. Alright guys, so I just finished eating. That was a quick little pit stop. Fueled up a little bit. Paid 30,000 dong. Wow. I'm ready to go back onto my adventures. Time to get back on the bike. How fast the streets cleared out the moment the rain started pouring. It's not even that bad. It was just a sprinkle. So, but everyone had just jet and ran and looked for some kind of cover, like me. Yeah, it was bound to rain. It's been cloudy all day. It was rain in the forecast. So luckily, it was just a sprinkle. I think it already stopped. I don't know what people were freaking out about. It's been a long day in Hoi An. Ate a whole lot of food. Went to a few museums. Biked a lot. A lot you can do out here in Hoi An. Alright guys, I'm gonna go head back to Danang now, so I'm gonna call it a night. I'll see you again tomorrow. Leaf? Very good. Wow. Oh, good. Oh, hey, look. Shirt. Pho King Delicious. I'm sorry. I mean, Pho King Delicious. It's probably the proper way of saying it.